Here's a question for you. Do you ever find yourself stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with fresh ideas? If so, you are in the right place, because today we are going to talk about creative problem solving and how to think outside the box right now. You know what? I've been there, staring at a video editing timeline. I don't know what to do. Not just that, sometimes when I write, I'm just staring at my monitor with a blank document. That's it. That is the most terrible thing that can happen to you as a creator. So what do? Well, this is how I get out of the creative rut. The first tip is to change your perspective. Most of the time when we are stuck on a problem, it's because we are looking at it from the same old angle over and over again. Now, to break through that mental block, try changing your perspective and looking at the problem in a different angle. Easier said than done, right? So here's an example. Let's say you are trying to come up with a new idea for your YouTube channel. Instead of just staring at your computer and your timeline, try going out for a walk and look for inspiration in the world around you. Maybe taking out your phone, recording a video, what you see will bring you an inspiration or a new story to tell. Changing your perspective can open up a whole new world of possibilities. Embracing constraints might be counterintuitive, but constraints can actually be a great tool for creative problem solving. When we have these limitations or walls or barriers or whatever you call it, we are forced to think creatively and come up with new solutions for our problems. For example, let's say you are a photographer and you only have one lens to work with. Instead of seeing it as a limitation, embrace it and see how you can use that lens to create unique and interesting shots. Maybe experiment with a different angle or compositions to create a fresh perspective. Embracing constraints can actually help you come up with some of your most creative work. Sometimes when we are stuck in our own heads, it's hard to see beyond our own thoughts and ideas. Collaborating with others can help bring fresh perspectives into the table. For example, let's say you are a filmmaker and you are struggling to come up with a unique concept for your music video. Get together with your team and some creative friends and brainstorm together. Someone might have an idea that sparks a new direction for the project. Collaboration can lead to truly amazing ideas. When I'm feeling stuck, it's easy to get caught up in trying to force my way through the problem. But sometimes the best thing that you can do is to take a step back and take a break. This happens to me all the time. Whenever I'm working on a complex video editing project and I'm feeling kind of burned out, I take a break and do something completely unrelated to the project. Maybe go out on a bike or cook something or read a book. When I get back to my project, I feel refreshed and ready to tackle it with a renewed creativity. When we're trying to think outside of the box, it is important to try new things and take risks. This might mean stepping out of your comfort zone and trying something completely new or unconventional. When we take risks and experiment, we create opportunities for unexpected, exciting ideas to emerge. Say you're a graphic designer and you're working on a logo design for a client. Instead of sticking to the traditional design methods, experiment with different textures, fonts. Now, it might be a risk, I know, but it could also lead to a unique and memorable design that sets the client's business apart from its competition. Remember, creativity is trying something new and taking risks. So, keep exploring and creating. Now, if you find these tips helpful, please do leave a like on this video and subscribe, as it would really help me identify the kind of content I should be doing more. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to learn, create, and of course, share. And I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao!